Yeah, so it's good, YouTube. I'm replacing the starter on my car. Missed half the process. Took the tire off, got her jacked up, sitting on jack stands. Trying to get her back to her glory days. She's been neglected for a little bit. Disconnected the battery. Got 2 screws out. About to get back under there and take the next one out. Yeah, so it's just my process for today. Little toolbox here. Need a 15 and 13 millimeter bolt to get it out. Pretty simple. If you got a Dodge Charger, you just gotta kind of get up under there. It's underneath the driver's side. If you don't know, here's where your starter is located, right here. You have a bolt there, and then you have one here, which I already took out, and then you have a bolt right at the top. Right there. Some of these starters are different. You do need a deep dish socket to get this off. All right, we got some movement, which is beautiful. It does take a little time to get this bolt off because the threading is so long. Let's see, I don't know if you can see that screw, but I have to get that bolt off. should have probably took this one off first. But we're gonna get there. I'm not a mechanic by your longest shot, just a car guy who likes getting things done, you know? This one here, turn it manually. Okay. See, this is the screw that I had to get out. And you want to pass it right through this little area right here. It's definitely a tight fit, but definitely gotta get it on a bit of an angle. Might have should twisted it a little. Get this in through first. it is. My problem, I'm not sure what happened, but I stopped getting the connection. Pin wasn't connecting to flywheel, so there we go. So I ain't filmed the installation. I'm still getting used to this, but got the starter in. Just saying, she cranked up. Next on the agenda, somebody had hit my rear view mirror, so need to replace this. Get another emblem for here. It's 345. Need a mirror for this side right here. I'm gonna replace that. I'm in the process of figuring out what color I want to wrap my car again. I got this matte black on there now, but as you can see, it's pretty faded. So I'm gonna get that done. I decide if I want to get something to go with the color of these rims, or if I'm gonna wrap my rims too. If you got any suggestions, drop it in the comments. Let me know what color you think would be nice on a RT Charger. We're gonna go from there. Till we meet again. I'm out. Fat and fast, you heard?